Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be drawing some surprise stacked turtles. So our paper is going to be folded, and when we open it up, you're going to see more turtles stacked on top of each other. For this project, you will need a piece of computer paper held vertically up and down. You can use a pencil and eraser and a black marker, or you could just use a black colored pencil like I'm using, or a black crayon. I'm going to do this so I don't have to worry about tracing later on. You're also going to need whatever coloring supplies you want to use to add color to your drawing. First step is to fold the bottom of our paper up to the top of our paper. Next, let's turn our paper so that the bottom of the paper is where the opening is. So you see that the open flap is at the bottom. We are going to take that top flap of paper and we're going to fold it up to the top edge of our paper. This is how our paper is going to open and close to see the surprised stacked turtles inside. Let's draw some turtles. I'm going to draw one large one below my middle crease on my paper. So I'm going to start with a curved line like a sad face to draw the turtle's shell. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line across to connect the two ends of that curved line. Before I draw the head, legs, and tail, I'm going to draw the shell for the top turtle. So I'm going to draw it opposite of the first, so this time a curved line like a smile and above the crease of my paper. And then once again, a horizontal line connecting those two ends of my curved line. Next, let's draw a diagonal line down to the side and back in towards the shell for the tail. And then on the opposite side of the shell, a small curved line for the head and a line connecting the bottom of that curved line. And then you can add two eyes and a curved line for the smile of the turtle. Let's draw the front legs and the back legs. To draw these legs, draw a vertical line down, horizontal line across, and then a vertical line back up. You can draw the detail of the turtle's toes on each leg by drawing two little curved lines next to each other on the bottom side of the legs closest to the head. Go ahead and draw the tail, the legs, and the head on the next turtle. Draw the legs sticking straight up. You're going to draw vertical lines up, a horizontal line across, and then a vertical line back down. And for the head, we're going to draw it a little differently this time. Start with a vertical line up and to the right, a curving line across, and then a line back down towards the shell. You can add detail of the eyes, the mouth, and the toes just like you did before. Now it's time to design our turtle shells. You can design them however you choose. I'm going to use some vertical lines, horizontal lines, maybe some zigzag lines, squiggle lines, and even some lines that cross over each other to create a checkerboard pattern. If you don't want to use lines, you could use some shapes to decorate your turtle shells. Now it's time to open our paper and draw some more stacked turtles. To do this, you have to make sure to follow a few guidelines. This way you can't see the surprise stacked turtle shells inside of your folded paper. To do this, you want to make sure that you don't draw anything past the topmost point of your large turtle's shell. So you can't draw anything below that top point, otherwise you'll see it when your paper is folded closed. You don't want to draw anything past the bottom point of the smaller turtle shell. Draw your turtles however you want them to be stacked. The first one can be upside down, and then maybe the next one right side up, and then upside down again, however you choose. If you used pencil for your drawing, you want to make sure you trace it with marker before you start adding color. But remember, to trace your drawing, make sure you open your paper up all the way before you trace, because if you trace with your paper folded, you're going to see the marker through the other side. If you don't need to trace because you drew with black crayon or colored pencil, you can go ahead and start adding color however you choose. Once you're done coloring in your turtles, go ahead and draw and color in a little grass line underneath your largest, most bottom turtle to show the grass that the turtle is standing on. When you're all done, don't forget to sign your name on your artwork. I hope you enjoyed creating these turtles with me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Remember to always have fun, be creative, and don't worry if you make a mistake. See you next time.